Hi guys, we have been learning about pronouns today, and we were talking about earlier in our lesson how to use the personal pronouns him, her, he, or she. All right, so what we had talked about in our lesson was how we can use him or he to replace a boy's name and her or she to replace a girl's name. Now we are on page 61 in our Being a Writer book, so make sure you have that and turn to page 61. 61, and we'll start right here at the top. Okay, read each sentence and circle the pronoun him, her, he, she. All right, so sentence number 1. So remember, we're looking for a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that can replace a noun. So, she plays in the snow. What do you think? Yeah, it's right at the beginning, isn't it? It's she. And notice it is right before our verb plays. She plays, and we wouldn't say her plays because we use the pronoun her after a verb, not before. All right, so let's see. Number 2, Freddie plays with her. Freddie plays with her. Yeah, where's the pronoun? Yeah, her, and it's at the end. It comes after the verb. Do you see that? So she and her are both talking about a girl, and her name could be Nyla, couldn't it? But instead of saying Nyla plays in the snow, Freddie plays with Nyla, we could say she plays in the snow and Freddie plays with her. Yep, and it's Freddie. If we took out Freddie's name and put a personal pronoun there, would we say him or he? Him plays with her or he plays with her? Yeah, we would say he plays with her. All right, number 3, he slides on the ice. Which one is our personal pronoun? Yeah, it's he. And who is he? Is it Freddie? Uh-huh, it is. It's talking about Freddie. So Freddie plays with her. He slides on the ice. Ah, poor Freddie. And by the way, I need to give Nyla a face and some hair because Nyla's very beautiful. And we can't have her bald with no eyeballs. There we go, Nyla. Okay, number 4, Amy slides with him. All right, I see a personal pronoun there, don't you? Yeah, I see him. So look at this. Freddie is being talked about in 3 sentences. Freddie plays with her. He slides on the ice. Amy slides with him. Could we say Freddie in the place of this and this? Yeah, let's try it. Freddie plays with her. Freddie slides on the ice. Amy slides with Freddie. You see how many times I said Freddie? And that's why personal pronouns are so great, because we don't have to say Freddie's name over and over and over again, because it just makes us sound super, super repetitive. And we don't want to do that, right? All right. Sliding on the ice sounds fun. Hard to imagine right now when there's no ice on the ground, but it sounds fun. All right, B, circle the pronoun that can take the place of each underlined word, or underlined noun, underlined noun. And remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. And we're talking specifically about people, which is why we're using personal pronouns. All right, number 1, Justin makes a snowball. All right, so which one of these pronouns could we use to replace Justin's name? And we're going to assume that Justin is a boy. Justin can be a boy name, and I think we'll make Justin a boy. So what do you think? Him makes a snowball, or he makes a snowball? Which one do we use in front of a verb? Do you remember? Yep, it's he. He makes a snowball because it comes before the verb, so we would say he. He makes a snowball. Number 2, Justin gives the snowball to Maria. All right, so Maria is a noun. Maria is a girl. So what would we say? And our verb is gives. So here's our verb way back here. So this comes after our verb, so which one would it be? Justin gives the snowball to she? No. Justin gives the snowball to Her. Good job. And then let's write a sentence. It says, write a sentence about something you do with a friend. Use him or her in the sentence. Well, one of my friends, I think of my dog as my friend, and Roscoe and I like to play in the snow. And this winter we did play in the snow. So I'm going to say, let's see, Roscoe and I like to play in the snow and here's where I'm going to use my pronoun, he gets silly. When we play in the snow, Roscoe runs around like a silly, silly, silly puppy. He is so funny. So Roscoe and I like to play in the snow and he gets silly. And I could say Roscoe and I like to play in the snow and Roscoe gets silly, but we don't really want to use Roscoe's name 2 times in the same sentence because, again, that just sounds like too much, right? It's just too repetitive. All right, hopefully you can think of a good sentence to write about something you like to do with one of your friends.